Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y28, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, meaning your content is open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this subtle flash along with the pop-up at the bottom that allows you to capture a long screenshot and share. And also it gives you this pop-up right here letting you know that you can also capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down like so, which not sure why it shows me twice. I know, you literally just told me that's why I'm capturing this screenshot. And also you can apparently do a quick split screen by swiping up instead of down. So there we go. Now once you have your screenshot captured, you can find it in your Photos application. And under Albums, you will find an album called Screenshots. And you can see, here are the 2 screenshots I have captured. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.